Hey, puppies. Hey, puppies. That's Sunny and Bo in the middle and Lucy. And there comes Sophie. Sophie, Soph. Sophie. Oh, there they go. Hi, Lucy. Hi, Lucy. And Bo and Sunny playing in the back. Oh, call Lucy, Alex.
Lucy. Hi, Lucy.
There she goes. Oh, thank you for moving.
Lucy.
Can you move to the side, Alex, so I can see the pups?
Lucy. Lucy. Hi, Lucy.
Little Bo, he's so silly. There's Bo. Hi, Bo. See your reflection?
Come on.
Oh, he's so cute. Don't get in front of me, Nico, please.
No, I'm gonna do it. Look.
Alex, I can't see, honey.
Sorry.
All right, there they are. Let's see. Is that Sophie? Sophie's over there by herself. What you doing, Soph? Oh, she's gonna chew my carpet. That's nice. Alex, don't let her do that. And there's Sunny in the front. Hey, pretty boy. Nico, please don't bump into mommy. Oh, tug of war. Oh, we got tug of war going. We got tug of war. Nico, please stop. Please stop, Nico, please. There they go. Oh, get him, Lucy. Nico, please move.
Squeak it. No,
Get it, Sonny, get it. Is he getting it? I can't see him anymore. Guys, here. Come on, guys. What's up, Soph? Sophie looks lost. Oh, get him. Get him. Nico, stop.